Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with my channel Murr-Made Designs. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm attempting to show you 365 days of sewing makes by yours truly. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video with your friends. I would appreciate it so much. And today I'm going to show you something you might recognize. It is Quick Sew 4220. On day 9 I showed you this pattern. I had made a pink hoodie with the vest by using the sleeves off the sweater and adding a hood. This is a pattern made for stretch knits. Show you what I did with it. Made this very fuzzy, warm, good for fall sweater. One of the awesome things about sewing is everything you make is one of a kind. You're not going to see somebody else wearing the same thing, ever. I made it out of a novelty material, and you got it. I found it in the bargain bin in Fabricland. I like the way the pockets go on. I put them on slightly not even, but I bet you wouldn't have noticed that if I hadn't have told you. Added the sleeves, and I also self-drafted a one-piece collar. I put some large snaps on as closure. Put 4 of those on. And have a very, very warm, snuggly sweater to wear. I think this sweater you could, I'm wearing it with jeans right now. You can wear it with jeans. You could, it's even, I think, nice enough you could wear it if you're going out somewhere nice. Let's just say we got to go to somewhere nice. So that is Quick Sew 4220. I really think this pattern is a winner. If you're a new sewer, maybe you don't want to switch sleeves around and add collars and whatnot, but this vest is super easy to make. I've also made the sweater, and I'll be showing you that a different day. And today, what my grateful thread is, I am very grateful. I'm not sure which part of this I'm grateful for, but I am grateful for my husband, always grateful for my husband, and you've met him. And the other day I was sewing, and I set my phone down on the ironing board, and then I accidentally set the iron on top of my phone. And then I went outside. I saw my grandson go by, and I went outside to ask him a question, and then did something else, and then did something else, and then came back to sew. And by that time, the iron had melted the case of my sewing, or of my phone. And that wasn't good. And my husband found a replacement one, exactly the same one, actually even prettier because it was a different color, in a bargain bin the other day, and brought it home. So I am thankful for my husband. I am thankful that I am human and make mistakes pretty much all the time and survive them, get over them, move forward. So I'd love to hear in the comments if you've had a human moment lately that, yeah, putting your phone on the ironing board, yeah, don't do that. But yeah, I'd like to hear what your moments are. So I hope you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun, except when you melt your phone. That was a little less fun. Till next time.